Welcome to TechSphere. Imagine stepping into a venue that doesn't just entertain, but completely immerses you in a sensory experience, unlike anything you've ever seen. The Sphere in Las Vegas is rewriting the rules of entertainment, combining jaw-dropping technology, architectural innovation, and global collaborations to create a venue like no other. What is the story behind this extraordinary structure, and how is it shaping the future of entertainment? Let's find out. Let's start with the Sphere's most striking feature, its incredible design and technology. Located just off the Las Vegas Strip, the Sphere is more than a building. It's a symbol of what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets visionary design. Standing 366 feet tall and 516 feet wide, it's officially the largest spherical structure in the world. But its size is only the beginning of what makes it extraordinary. The Sphere's exterior is wrapped in 1.2 million LED lights, capable of displaying stunning visuals that are visible from miles away. These lights transform the structure into the world's largest digital canvas, showcasing everything from breathtaking animations to brand advertisements. Inside, the Sphere is even more remarkable. It features a 160,000 square foot LED screen that wraps around the audience, creating an immersive 360-degree viewing experience. With a resolution of 16K by 16K, the visuals are so vivid and lifelike that they blur the line between reality and the digital world. Adding to this, the Sphere uses advanced sound technology. Its audio system includes over 160,000 speakers with beamforming capabilities, ensuring every attendee hears crystal clear sound no matter where they're seated. Whether you're in the front row or the very back, the experience feels perfectly tailored to you. But how did such an ambitious project come to life? That takes us to the next chapter of the Sphere's story. Behind every groundbreaking innovation is a bold vision. The Sphere is no exception. This marvel of modern engineering was brought to life by Madison Square Garden Entertainment, a company with a history of redefining live entertainment. Their mission was clear: to create a venue that offers more than just events. It delivers unforgettable, fully immersive experiences. Construction began in 2018 and came with a staggering price tag of $2.3 billion. Despite challenges like the pandemic and rising material costs, the Sphere officially opened its doors in September 2023. Its debut event? A series of performances by the legendary band U2, perfectly showcasing the venue's audio-visual capabilities. With its doors now open, the Sphere is ready to take center stage in the world of entertainment. But what makes it such a hot spot for global brands? Let's talk about the brands lining up to be part of the Sphere's journey. The Sphere isn't just a venue, it's a branding powerhouse. Its exterior LED display is a one-of-a-kind platform for advertisers. Major brands like Google, Apple, and Samsung have already showcased their campaigns on this massive digital canvas, creating eye-catching visuals that captivate audiences far and wide. Inside, the partnerships are just as exciting. Tech companies like Intel and NVIDIA have collaborated with the Sphere to deliver next-level immersive experiences during live events. These partnerships not only enhance the audience experience, but also solidify the Sphere's reputation as a hub for innovation and creativity. But the Sphere's impact isn't limited to brands. It's reshaping the entire Las Vegas experience. The Sphere isn't just about concerts and events, it's pioneering a new genre of immersive entertainment. Imagine attending a live concert where the visuals adapt in real time to the music, or watching a nature documentary that makes you feel like you're walking through a rainforest. The Sphere's advanced technology is also being used for virtual reality-like experiences, where the audience doesn't need headsets to feel completely immersed. His innovation has sparked interest from industries like gaming, education, and even space exploration, proving that the Sphere's potential goes far beyond traditional entertainment. What does the Sphere mean for Las Vegas? The answer is simple: transformation. Since its opening, the Sphere has become a major tourist attraction, drawing thousands of visitors eager to experience its cutting-edge features. This influx of tourists has boosted local businesses, from hotels to restaurants, and created hundreds of jobs in the process. Analysts predict that the Sphere will contribute millions of dollars annually to the city's economy, making it a key driver of growth in the region. On a cultural level, the Sphere is setting a new standard for live entertainment. Artists and performers now have a venue that allows them to push creative boundaries like never before. From concerts that feel like journeys through space to cinematic events that immerse audiences in alternate realities, the possibilities are endless. However, such a groundbreaking project comes with its own set of challenges. Challenges and controversies. Let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges the sphere faces. One major concern is its environmental impact. With its massive LED displays and energy-intensive operations, the sphere's carbon footprint has been a topic of debate. To address this, Madison Square Garden Entertainment has implemented several sustainability initiatives, including using renewable energy sources and designing the building with energy-efficient systems. Another issue is accessibility. With tickets often priced at a premium, some argue that the Sphere's experiences are reserved for those who can afford it. While the venue has promised more affordable options in the future, this remains a point of contention among critics. Despite these challenges, the Sphere's potential for growth and innovation is undeniable. What's next for the Sphere? So, what's on the horizon for the Sphere? The future looks brighter than ever. Upcoming plans include hosting global esports tournaments, immersive film screenings, and even corporate events. Madison Square Garden Entertainment has also hinted at expanding the Sphere concept to other cities, potentially creating a network of cutting-edge venues around the world. Additionally, brands are finding new ways to collaborate with the Sphere. Imagine attending a product launch where the venue's visuals, sound, and environmental effects are tailored to create a fully immersive experience. The Sphere isn't just a venue, it's a glimpse into the future of entertainment and marketing. The Sphere in Las Vegas isn't just an architectural marvel, it's a bold leap into the future of entertainment. By blending technology, creativity, and innovation, it offers an experience that captivates audiences and inspires the world. What do you think about the Sphere? Could it set the standard for entertainment venues of the future? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech.